Naghanap ka ba ng affordable condominium na very accessible to Manila for as low as 8,000 monthly? If yes, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Located ito sa Micara Estate, Barangay Saudolan, Tansa, Cavite. Approximately 60 minutes drive lang ito going to Manila. Accessible din ito sa school, worship area, market, mall, at marami pang iba. Few minutes drive din ito sa 3 major central business district dito sa Cavite. Sulit na investment for rental and residential, where your family can grow, live and thrive. Nature-friendly and has open spaces, kaya naman ma-enjoy ng family mo ang outdoor activities. And yes, for as low as 8,672 monthly DP ay meron ka ng 1 bedroom na may floor area na 28.3 square meters at 11,087 para naman sa 2 bedroom. Kaya naman habang nasa introductory price pa lang tayo, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!